A dangerous challenge, superb skills that will amaze you. A skillful maneuver by the driver successfully avoided an incident on the road. It is a lesson in driving in wet conditions, clearly warning of danger, reminding us to always slow down. And be careful. Absolutely amazing. The driver navigated through the chaos with ease. The semi-truck encountered an issue due to rapid deceleration. Oh, a rare accident at the Zarita Power when the tractor transporting the excavator suddenly had a tire blowout at a dangerous curve on High Van Pass. The driver immediately kept calm and slowed down to avoid losing control. The timely and careful response helped prevent a dangerous situation from becoming worse. Oh, the Vermeer RTX 1250 i2 saw from Rocky Hill Equipment Rentals is designed to be powerful and user-friendly with its versatile control system. Operators can easily cut through tough materials. The machine is built to perform efficiently in harsh environments, ensuring high productivity. This is a test by the Texas A&M Transportation Institute to evaluate a tube-shaped barrier authorized by the U.S. Department of State. They sent a heavy truck down the road at 50 mph to crash into the steel barrier. Huge forestry trucks slowly make their way through the rugged hills of Chile, where their heavy loads make it difficult to descend. Narrow, steep roads require drivers to concentrate, as even the slightest mistake can lead to a serious accident. Oh, the Cat 320B must have been working non-stop to overheat like that. Luckily, the driver got out. Severe weather conditions left the Express Bus 200 stuck in the snow. However, the scene is a living testament to the spirit of teamwork in the face of harsh nature. An excavator demolishes a house at the corner of Woodmont Avenue and Edgemore Lane in Bethesda, Maryland. The structure is being leveled to make way for a 154-unit apartment building just a block from the subway station that promises modern, convenient living. The Volvo, loaded with lumber got stuck, the wheels stuck in the mud, making all the drivers' efforts useless. A feeling of despair rose as the car wouldn't budge. Fortunately, a powerful trailer appeared, pulling the Volvo out of the mud, bringing an exhilarating release. The powerful feeling of the Who 6X4 dump truck overloading made me both amazed and worried. Unparalleled performance, but the huge weight made the vehicle seem to be struggling against adversity. Workers load and place coils with absolute precision. The strong, coordinated movements make me feel the strength and meticulousness in each job, creating an impressive scene. Oh, what is going on here? The giant windmill was being transported through the narrow road, each fan blade reaching up, like a sturdy steel bar. The sound of the engine echoed. I felt the strength and sophistication of technology and human labor blending together. thermite versus stump, an unequal battle. With over 6 swarms of thermite, the stump has little chance. Fire, molten iron, and pure destruction make this an impressive way to clear land that you won't see from the average user. Say that is, subscribe to our channel to keep up with the shipping skills that will surprise. The excavator roared, each blow hitting the chimney with great force. Debris flew everywhere, the sound reverberated. I felt both devastation and hope, as if a new chapter was beginning, replacing the old. Due to the oversized transport and harsh terrain, the trailer was tilted, but that did not stop it from taking only a few minutes to pull the wood onto a flat surface. Yes, if you like our video, please comment number 1. If you don't like it, please comment number 2. While turning, the trailer was swept down the ravine due to the tight curve and narrow road. The wheels slid off the edge of the road, causing the vehicle to get stuck. The main cause was a combination of difficult terrain and careless driving. Thanet. What happens if your car is not serviced regularly? Watch the whole clip to find out. The 70-ton dump truck was stuck deep in the mud, making everyone worried. The D10 bulldozer pulled the truck strongly, but the tension did not let go. The people involved felt every difficult moment, while the witnesses could not help but hope for a successful rescue. The important lesson when participating in traffic is to always maintain caution and concentration. A stupid game by Indiana residents, you can feel the tension through the screen. Every second counts, everyone is focused, without hesitation. Just pure skill and trust. This is great team spirit.